dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So happy to have you. Okay guys, so I'm so excited. Okay, we have my spring home tour. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I honestly love my theme this year. I feel happy when I walk into my home. Even when I'm cleaning, I have joy because it just looks so pretty, and I just want it to look pretty at all times. So it's definitely a motivator to keep my house clean too. But don't forget to subscribe, join the family, and have that notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post. Alrighty guys, enjoy. And side note, the beginning is just going to be a couple of pictures, but then I will go in detail of where I got everything, and I will have things in the description box for you guys to shop if you're interested.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change.
Okay, so here is an overview of the kitchen. Well, this side of the kitchen. So up here I just have a vase that I got, honestly I don't even remember, probably Burlington or Ross. And then those flowers, I got them off of Amazon. I can have them linked in the description box. And then down here I have these two rugs that I got from Walmart, and they were $15 each. That is new this year. And then moving over here, we have, I got this Ray Dunn canister from Marshall's like 4 years ago. And this flower arrangement, I just got it from Burlington, and then I added these blue ones. And then this marble tray, I got it from Ross, and it was like cracked over here a little bit right there. So I got it for like $6. And then we have this, I think it's called a diffuser. No, it's not a diffuser. I don't know. It melts the wax, and you just turn it on, and it smells really good. Okay, and then this dish towel, I got it from Burlington. And then just wooden spatulas that I use, and I got those from Ross a lot of years ago. And then these pink spatulas I got from At Home like 3 or 4 years ago. So that is this little corner. Then I got these dish towels. I want to say they were from Burlington. I'll have the video that I tell you guys where I got everything from linked, so you guys can check that out. And then I got, obviously that's a Bath & Body Works candle. It smells amazing. This is you guys see that? The eucalyptus snowfall. It's like a baby blue. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a baby blue color. That's why I put it there. And then again, these say Happy Easter. I probably will switch those out after Easter, and I'll show you guys what I do then. And then over here I just have my this is a Ray Dunn canister. I don't know what you call these things. It's like, you know, the where you can put juice in. Someone tell me what it's called. I can always count on you guys. And so anyways, I got that from Marshall's a couple years ago when I was like deep into my Ray Dunn obsession. And then I got this sign from Michael's at Bath and Body Works, and then this came in a set with my plates, cups, and all that. And I actually use these because I have salt and pepper, and when I'm cooking I just grab it from there. And then I got this wooden tray from Ross. I got that from Ross. So yeah, I like to keep my kitchen nice and simple, and you know, I do have to cook. But yeah, I love it. So here's this side of the kitchen. I kept it super simple. I didn't even really put too much into it like I normally do, just because I don't have that much pink and blue. And since it's like a new color and theme that I'm doing this year, I have to, you know, allow it to grow. So with time, I'll get more stuff. But for now, this is what I have. So I got this sign. Where's this? Oh, from Target a couple years ago in their bullseye section. These flowers are from Amazon. This is a Rae Dunn canister. All it does is it has a number 1 on that side, but I don't like it. So I turn it around. I got this from Marshall's last year, I think. I just got it because of the color. Literally, I don't even know what it smells like. I don't care. Okay, and then I got this bubblegum little thing from Hobby Lobby. And then I just put our favorite little mints that my husband and kids eat like little psychos. And then this tray actually came with a dome, and I was putting cupcakes and stuff and muffins, but my son broke it, so now I just use it as a tray. So that worked out. And then I always have a cup here to catch the dripping, and I told you guys this last time, I always put water in here so that the bottom of the cup doesn't get stained. So you guys can try that. And then over here I have another Rae Dunn canister. We have our coffee cups in there. This cup came from Target one year. These flowers, honestly, I don't even know where I got them from. They're probably like a garage sale or something. And then I got this frother from Home Goods. And then here's the other dish towel that came with the other set, and I believe that was from Burlington. And then this tray here is a Lazy Susan, and that is from Ross. And then over here I just have this little kitchen mat that says kitchen. But yeah, I like it. It's like a cushiony one, so it's been working out great for me. Okay, so over here at the dining table, I have this tray that I got from Ross. Actually, all these things are from Ross, and then this is a Rae Dunn canister, but it has a number 1 on it, and I just turned it around. And then these flowers are from Amazon, and I will have that linked in the description box if you guys are interested. But it looks so pretty, I think. Okay, so here is an overview of the living room. Excuse the lighting. The sun is doing something funky. Okay, so over here I have that blue pillowcase. I got that from Amazon. This one is from Amazon, and then this pillowcase is also from Amazon. It came in a 4-pack. I have one here, one on the other couch, and then 2 outside. I will have that linked in the description box. And then over there I got those flowers from Ross. I really love them. They're not really the blue, but it's kind of like a bluish purple. I love it. I think it's so beautiful. I don't even care if it matches or not. It makes me happy. Okay, and then over here by the fireplace, I got those 2. The blue ginger jars are from Ross. The little pink ones are from Amazon. The flowers are all from Amazon. And then I have a mirror back there that I got from Kirkland's. And then this was a gift from my husband, and I did a mini DIY on that. I can show you guys maybe in another video, or maybe I'll pop it at the end of this one. And then I have this, I don't know, I put this candle there because it was like a bluish color. And then this little candy dish I got from Ross, and then this tray is from Home Goods, and my table is from Amazon. And then over on this side, same thing. Those are the pillowcases. My pink throw is from, I want to say Home Goods or Ross. I'm not sure. I think it's Home Goods. And then the blue throw is from Amazon. Those little flowers are from Home Goods. And the ladder is actually from Home Goods as well. And yeah, that's it for this. I think it looks cute. I'm happy with it. I know it's a lot of blues, a lot of different colors, but it makes me happy because it's the style I was going for sure. Okay, and then over here, I kept it pretty simple. I was gonna add something right there in the middle, but I feel like it looks cute. I got a lot going on already. I don't need to add anything. But I do have this. Is all these flowers, and the garland is from Amazon. That's a Bath and Body Works candle, and then these candlesticks are also from Amazon. The candle themselves are from Hobby Lobby, and then those two canisters are from Old Time Pottery, actually. And then that little basket, I think I got that from Ross a lot of years ago. I don't even remember. But yeah, I think it looks cute and simple. Okay, and then on this side, I got a cute little sign from Ross. I love it. It's so cute. And then the flowers and the picks. The flowers are actually from Michael's. The picks and the vase is from Burlington. But I kept it kind of simple. And then here in the front, I just have this rug that I picked up from Burlington. It's so cute. I walk in and it literally makes me smile because I just love it. I think it's so cute. Okay, and then out here, I kept it simple. I got the pillowcases from Amazon. I can have that linked in the description box. And it came in a set of 4. The other 2 are inside. But I had these flowers. The pink ones are from Amazon. The other ones, honestly, I think I got from a garage sale. And then this is this little, I guess you call it a ginger jar? I don't know. The little jar is from Ross. And then this from Target. But I think it looks cute out here. Simple, but cute. Guys, who else puts wood? Okay, when we close our door, I lay this wood down across like this so that the door can't be opened even if someone does break the lock. I don't know, I think it's a Hispanic thing, but we always do that, so that's why that's there. Alright, that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.